you are given a state table below for a Mealy type circuit with input W and output Z, and you are given the state assignment G equals 0, 0, H equals 0, 1, and J equals 1, 1. Construct the state assigned table assuming D flip-flops, where the state assigned table will have the following headings. Okay, so these are usually pretty easy, so you just have to translate from the letters to the numbers. The only thing you have to remember is that you have to account for every possible state. So in this example, there's one state that's not being used. So G is 0, 0, H is 0, 1, and J is 1, 1. So 1, 0 is not being used, but we need to account for it, so we'll put don't cares in for that one. And then the output Z is going to look exactly the same, so we can just copy that, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And then everywhere we have an H, we're going to put H is 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Everywhere we have a G, we'll put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And where we have a J, we'll put 1, 1. So there we go. Now we need to derive minimal Boolean expressions for the next state. And so here's what we're going to do. I should make these D. Okay, so I'm going to start with doing, and I should have written this as Y1, Y0 there. Okay, so let's start with Y1. W. That's supposed to be a W. Okay, so we want to see, want to fill in this K-map for Y1. Now Y1 is just the first column of our next state here. So notice when W equals 0, well, first of all, for 1, 0, for 1, 0, we have don't care. So we can go ahead and put in don't care. And notice when W equals 0, Y1 equals 0 everywhere. So I can just put zeros right there. And when W equals 1, again, it's just this first column here. When Y1, Y0 is 0, 0, then we get a 1. And in the other two spots, we get a 0. And so our minimal expression here, get those two, will be Y1 equals, let's see, what do we have here? Y0 bar W. Okay, now let's do y0. Again, we have don't cares here. And y0 is the second column. And if we look at the second column, when w is 0, we see when y1, y0 is 0, 0, we have a 1. When it's 0, 1, we have a 1. And when it's 1, 1, we have a 0. And when w is a 1, when y1, y0 is 0, 0, we have a 1. When it's 0, 1, we have a 0. And when it's 1, 1, we have a 1. Okay, so we have this group, and we have this group, and we have this group. So the group of 4, that would be y0 bar. And this group of 2 is y1 w. And this group of 2 right here does not look like I have that right on my notes. Yeah, I just can't read my writing. So, yeah, this last group right here is y1 bar, w bar. Yep. Okay, now we just need to get z. And let's see, so when w is 0, okay, so we have don't cares for here. And then we have when w is 0, 0, 0, 1. And when w is 1, we have 0, 1, 1. And so that gets us this group and this group. Oh, and back up here, so this was y0 equals this one. And now we're going to get that z equals this group of 4 is y1 plus the group of 2 is y0w.